Hey guys, what's up? And today I have brought a new video of my channel Technical Session in which we will learn that how can we convert English to other languages like Punjabi, Hindi, Spanish, and many more up to 100 languages we can convert it using Google Translator.com. And what is Google Translator? It is a application, or you can say website, published and made by Google, which allows you to convert the Punjab English language into more than 100 languages of this universe. So let's do it to learn how to convert English to other languages. So we will open google.com, and here we will type Google Translate English to Punjabi, and here we will open Google Translate. It is translate.google.co.in, and here we will convert like my name is Jashan Preet Singh. I read in 7th class. I am a YouTuber. My channel name is Technical Jason. Sorry, Jason. And you can see that it is converted into English, Punjabi to English. Now we will convert it to French language. And you can see that our English translation is converted into French, and like this, you can convert English into these such languages, and you can also convert like French to English. Like we will hear French, English, near French. We'll copy it, and here we will delete it and select French, and here convert it. And you can see that the French has converted into English. So like this, we can convert um many languages to different languages using Google Translator.com. So hope guys you have liked my video, and if you are new on my channel Technical Jason, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos, and press the bell icon to get updated when the new videos. Hey guys, thanks, bye.